to share some information, story, concerns with you guys. I am not sure where you live, but I have to talk from where I live. I live in Canada. Today I want to talk about auto insurance companies, car insurance people, companies. Sometimes, I don't know, sometimes I call them legalized 419s. Legal. Sometimes I think that they are legalized criminals. I'm sorry, that's how I look at it. But I'm talking from my own. It's how about how I feel. I am venting out. 4 months ago, I had a car accident. 2 car accidents back to back. The car I'm driving right now, my BMW, was wrecked. It is still wrecked. I'm fixing my car by myself. So anyways, I had 2 car accidents back to back. My other smaller car is written off because the airbag deployed. I have been waiting on the insurance company for the past 4 months. They never gave me a rental car. I have full coverage of rental cars on both cars. No rental car was given to me. They didn't call me. They don't care if I die or alive. That's how I'm gonna put that, because they are only interested in knowing if the accident was real, if the accident is staged. For crying out loud, at this day, I'm going to be faking insurance car accident for what? Canada doesn't pay people when they have car accidents. They don't pay you neither. You will fight with them for a year, 2 years before you can even get $10,000 from them. Who has that kind of time? So, insurance company, they were not there for me. I'm talking from my own perspective, from exactly what happened to me. So 1 month gone. In the initial stage, it was back and forth. How did that happen? They want to hear the story. I even spent some days in the hospital. Okay, they never asked me, am I paralyzed? Am I working? Am I talking? Am I speaking? Am I doing my business? Am I doing my work, my job? It's none of their business. They were only interested in coming to my house to do forensic on the car. They paid forensic people to come because the first accident I hit an animal in the highway 401. If you know Toronto, you will know 401. They were asking me, where was I going by that time of the day? It is none of their business where I was going. When they take money from your account every month, they don't ask you where the money is coming from. And then something happens, they keep asking me, so what were you doing by that time of the day? Where were you going? For crying out loud, where I was going shouldn't be any of your business. I don't think where I was going should be a business for insurance company. When they take money from the bank account every month, they don't ask you where the money was coming from. So they were only interested. They sent forensic people over to the house to do, I don't know what they were doing, to check and see if I really hit an animal. After they finished the forensic, I never heard from them. This happened in May. We are in the month of August. May, June, July, August, September. Sorry, we are in the month of September. 5 months. I didn't hear from them. They never asked me if I fix my car or not. I am going to fix my car out of my own pocket. I have hired a lawyer. And I don't know how long that's gonna take with the lawyer. Sometimes it takes a year or over to finish with the insurance case. The second accident happened. I had my other smaller car. Also on the highway, it was raining. My car flipped. You know what? God is good. My car flipped and turned the opposite direction on the highway. It was raining. Airbag deployed. Did you think that insurance asked me if I hit my chest, if I was paralyzed? No. All they say is that they're doing investigation. Airbag deployed. I gave them the information about the police officer. EMS was at the scene. I was taken to the hospital. Thank God that I am alive and talking. Till today, 5 months, insurance company has not asked me how I'm traveling, if I'm taking public transport, if I bought another car, if I'm taking train, if I'm taking Uber. It's none of their business. So I am doing this video so that I can hear from you guys. I don't know how it is in where you live, but I live in Ontario. If this is the same way that it happens, that insurance company operates where you live, please let me know. I don't know how it operates in America. I don't live there. Car insurance is very, very expensive in Ontario, in Canada. Could you imagine that the car, let's say I'm driving a Mercedes, I'm paying like $500 a month for that car insurance a month. The same person that is driving the same car, the same model as I am driving, will be paying about $100 in America. Is this not a rip-off? No, is this not a rip-off? After taking all this money, because they take your money every month regardless, and it's so sad that you cannot drive, and also you cannot drive a car without car insurance. Where I live, I don't know about where you live. If you are caught driving a car without insurance, car insurance, here in Ontario, I keep saying I'll only talk about where I live. I think it's $10,000 fine. Your driver's license will be suspended. You might not drive for a year or two, plus $10,000. At some cases, you might even go to jail for driving a car without car insurance. And yet, the insurance company are not protecting us. I'll say me. I don't know about other people, but I've heard stories. But this video, I'm talking solely about me. So I think from all said and done, from everything I've been through, and I am still going through, that car insurance companies in Ontario is a rip-off. It's a rip-off. They rip people off. Can you imagine all the cars that are on the road, even if everybody is paying $200 every month? How many accidents does people really have in a month? But yet, when something happens to you, they will never be there for you. Never. They will hire a lawyer and pay the lawyer thousands and thousands of money, their own lawyer, to call you to do investigation. They say it is called examination under oath. Their lawyer will call you and ask you some questions regarding, all they want to do is to make sure that they will not give you a dime. This is the people that you're paying to protect you and your car on a monthly basis. This is so ridiculous. So ridiculous. And this is why I want to hear from you guys. Let me know how it works in the country or in the city where you live. There are so many people who cannot drive the kind of car that they love to drive because of the high premium of the insurance. There are so many people who could care less. They take taxi, they take train, because car insurance is extremely very expensive here, but yet you don't get anything from them. So guys, please subscribe and share this video. Let me know how you feel, how you think. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.